Vinyl siding is a durable, versatile, and resilient building material. An effective way to clean vinyl siding is by using a pressure washer. Use caution when using a pressure washer around openings like windows, doors, and plumbing connections. Most pressure washers come with an injector to mix cleaning solutions into the jet stream. Apply the soap mixture under low pressure with smooth, overlapping strokes. To prevent streaking, start from the bottom and work your way up. When ready to rinse, hold the wand a couple of feet from the surface and gradually move closer if additional cleaning power is needed, to be sure you're not damaging your vinyl from using too much pressure. Be careful not to spray directly at eaves, vents, or light fixtures. Vinyl siding can be kept looking like new and will provide many years of trouble-free protection for your home.